Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to back up songs from your Android phone to your PC or Mac using iMusic. It's best to make sure you have a backup of your Android phone on your computer, that way if something happens you'll have multiple copies and nothing will be deleted permanently. Let's look at how we can back up our Android songs today using iMusic in 2 simple steps. Step 1. Run iMusic on your computer. First you'll want to run iMusic, go to the Device tab, and now we'll want to connect our Android device using our USB cable. Another thing is you want to make sure you have USB debugging enabled so that the computer will have proper access to our device. Step 2. Transfer songs from your Android to your computer. Now that we have our device connected and are in the device menu, we have 2 options to back up our music to our PC. The first of which is to back all of it up at once. To do this, we can click on Backup Media to PC, and it's then going to prepare the data and we can select a place to back it up. So I'll just make a folder called Android Backup and click on OK, and now it's going to go through and back up all of our media to this folder. If you want to, you can overwrite duplicates as well. The second method is to go to the music section in our device, which loads up again all the individual songs, and from here what we can do is check the individual songs we want to transfer. And from here, we can then go up to Export and Export to my computer. We can also right-click on them and export to my computer from here, which is going to bring up a similar dialog where we can click on OK and back these up to our PC. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you guys next time.